Today's going to be a neighborhood party of sorts. Well, yeah, that's how we do it in the country here. We're going to be putting in some culvert here to try to make this easier to mow. Got the whole neighborhood coming. Let's get started.
Do that again, Tim, you might get it. Go down just, there you go. Now curl it up a little bit. There you go, there you go.
I missed it, didn't I?
No. You got it, you got it. Go that way and pinch it if you can. There you go, there you go. You're getting it, do that again.
I'm sure you've got lots of questions about what we're doing, why we're doing it, how we're doing it. We'll get to a lot of those as we go through this episode. It looks like there's another strap down in there. Right there in front of my bucket?
Yeah. Yeah. It had a strap put around that thing to, it was a separate piece.
That? Right now we're trying to expose the end of that pipe so we can attach another pipe to it. This could be done with a shovel, but if I'm pretty careful here, I can make it a lot easier and a lot less manual work.
Do that again.
Tell you what, let me get a good bit more.
Yep. Curl it up.
Yeah, I'm afraid to hit that pipe.
Tim, there's a wire in there.
Well,
Yep, keep going.
it's already busted.
I might be able to get it from there, Tim.
What do you reckon that is, cable?
I'm gonna guess that was telephone wire.
I can't believe they put it right by the pipe in the ditch.
I'm sure it was convenient at the time.
Yeah.
You get that right there, that's all stone. That's gonna be tough digging. Okay, curl it back to you a little bit. Yep, you're looking good.
Okay, I'm hearing two questions through your keyboard already. The first one is, did you call before you dig? And the answer is, I did not. We're not digging very aggressively here. We know there's no fiber. Our fiber is ran overhead, and you'll actually see it hanging on the post just to the left of the excavator there. The electric is above ground. There is no natural gas. And we've shown you multiple phone junction boxes that are all torn up. I ain't got any more pull than that.
Can you come towards me?
I'm gonna say, can you drag it that way?
I'm trying, guys.
Okay.
I've got it fully. You don't have much turn.
You don't have much pull that way.
I think you're gonna get it.
There you go.
And the second question I'm expecting from a bunch of you in other more restrictive states is, did you get a permit for that? Did you get permission? And again, the answer is no. Well, technically yes, I guess. The last time we did this at my house and neighbor Chris's house, Chris called and they said there's no permit necessary. This is a county highway, and many, many county highway trucks came by while we were doing the project.
The real work's happening over here.
Oh, trying to fit it. So the whole concept is that it can't go anywhere because of the shoulder.
Oh, gotcha.
So, but now I need to make it where it's not an obstruction when it's running through there. So something like that.
This section that we're putting in right here is about 37 feet long, I believe. And when combined with the driveways on either side, it's probably 90 or 100 feet of continuously connected pipe. We want to have an inlet somewhere in there so that the water doesn't have to run over both driveways to get off the road.
I think you're still a little high right here.
Oh, okay.
I think we'll be okay, but he may need to move that grass just over at the end there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be close.
He's not far enough that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll go.
Okay.
I think that pipe down there is angled coming out different than this pipe is.
Well,
These things here will make up for a lot of.
yeah.
Okay.
It'll give you a little bit of a,
Okay.
yeah, a little bit of grace.
I like Grace.
Yeah.
You ready for pipe, Chris?
Probably. Yeah.
Okay, the rigging chains and all are in the red Milwaukee box.
We're going to start at this end, go that way, and
So-
that is exactly at the center of the pole. If
Okay,
you
so
start
you-
it this way.
Yeah.
You know what we need here, Tim?
Bolt-on hooks.
Bolt-on hooks.
Yep, just a little. Okay, you're there.
Let's maybe raise it up and see where we need to dig.
Yeah. We're right in this middle. It's got to be dug out right here. Well, I don't think you, I think you're,
Right in here.
hold on.
Yep, right in there, Dave.
Yeah.
Not deep. Do flatways with your shovel. Yeah, like that.
I think you're there.
I got rolling.
Okay.
Well, so far in this project, I'm kind of arguing against tractor time and more for excavator time.
Yeah.
This thing has really proven its worth. It's so handy. I think we should have a contest.
Between.
Oh, I'm certain the cutoff wheel cut this faster.
Okay.
I
do
disagree.
have-
He's got a yellow tool.
He's got a yellow tool. Okay.
6. Okay.
You're dissing my brand new red tool that I
No,
bought for you.
I'm not dissing it. I'm just saying that's better.
From our last video just the other day, I have a brand new
Cutoff
red
wheel. Yep.
angle grinder.
Hey, I didn't okay this purchase.
It's a
I
shop
shouldn't-
purchase. It's a different finance committee.
No. That's
I
not how
didn't
this
even-
works.
I didn't even mention this to
That's
the
not how
finance
any of
committee.
this works.
Look, I'm taking care of Dave.
Actually, the tool was free, Tim.
That's right.
The tool was free.
That's right.
You guys are both full of it.
The batteries
hold
cost a
this
good
one.
bit, but the tool
Yeah,
is free.
exactly.
Now, Chris is our engineer here, so we've got to do everything extra complicated. If it were Dave and Rex and me, we'd already have this cut.
It's
It
true.
might not fit, but we'd already have it cut.
Yeah, too short.
Okay.
Well, it looks like Chris's yellow reciprocating saw won the day. I'm not sure that my red cutoff wheel even got a chance to compete.
Don't really care that way, but this way it's dead level, and that's all I care.
Yes, he means plumb. Give it a rest.
Since this tube's not going to be good after I get done with it, I might as well use it.
Okay, what do you think? I can't see very good.
Yeah, do it again right there. That it's hard right underneath there. Try to cup it a little bit right there. And then come towards me if you can. That at least loosened it up for me.
I'm getting some of it out of there even.
Yeah.
I'm proud of that dig. That was a good one.
Okay, now try to do the same thing on your side, Tim.
Yeah, I can't see squat over here either, so.
Okay, curl it.
That's definitely foam wire.
Yeah. That's the old wire come over to my house. Like what?
And you don't use it probably.
need to go that way about a foot.
Oh, really?
20 foot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe not quite a foot. You got fall to it?
Got lots of fall. Is it too high on this end, or are you okay with that?
It looks like you're high in the middle.
You could probably just push it down a little and tighten it up.
Yeah. What I'm trying to figure out is how's this going to work. How do we look for this transition piece? I guess we're going to be okay. Yeah. Are we too low is the question.
Well, that plate holds it up.
Yeah. But it's
Yeah. Need to put a little bit up underneath of it.
We can rock under there.
yeah, we will. I'd say it's probably good.
Ah, Dave finally gets to use our new angle grinder with the cutoff wheel. Easiest way to deal with these bolts is to cut the ends off so that we can then use a deep well socket to tighten them. I think I've probably mentioned before, but this is the best bulldozer I have. Of course, it's not as nice as a dedicated dozer, but with the angle blade, it's quite functional. This pile of dirt is from my pond. I piled it up there last summer, much to Rex's dismay. He told me then that he would have to look at it for the next year out his window. He was right, almost a year exactly.
I think that may be quicker than the bucket on the tractor.
Well, he can spin, drop, so that
Yeah.
what he loses in bucket size, he gains in the fact that it takes him less than 10 seconds to spin around.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's good enough? We can dump the rest of it down there.
You're beginning to see the inlet take shape here. When we're all done, Chris will cut this off to the right height.
Oh yeah. I just make sure I had enough to kind of get under that flange. It looks like you're pretty good.
You come around here and work from this side.
Okay.
And you don't have to necessarily drive on the road, but you can drive on that dirt.
Right.
And pack it
Dump
in
out
as you
there.
go.
Yep.
The piece of pipe between the two driveways makes perfect sense. I think everybody can understand that. This piece that Rex is filling over now was my request. Neighbor Dave and I have found it very difficult to mow around this telephone junction pole here. As previously noted, we're not even sure it's in use, but none of us have the courage to rip it out. Anyway, by extending this pipe, it should be a lot easier to trim around that particular post and reduce or eliminate the need for a weed eater. The project's gone great so far, so count on Tim to expand the scope. We still have a good bit of daylight left in the day, and everybody seems to be having a good time, so why not? The homeowner side of this ditch is just way too steep to mow. Every time I mow it with one of my offset rigs, I think, why don't I just bring the excavator up here and cut some of this off so it's less steep? Well, today's the day. I'm starting by experimenting with a couple of different ways to accomplish this task. Stick with me here. You'll see that I eventually figure it out. Here we go. This is the easiest way. I'm hearing something different in the background. I wonder what that could be. Oh, look over there to the left. That's right, Christy's spied some finishing work to be done, and yep, she's run and got Vinny and ready to go. I've not seen any other equipment that can compete with Vinny and the power rake. Even a track loader with power rake doesn't seem to be as easy to deal with as Vinny when configured for this task. I'm shaving off the steepest part of that bank with the excavator, and the guys with the tractors are finding some place to put the dirt. I still don't know where they put it all. In retrospect, they didn't need any of the dirt out of my pond if we were going to be doing this. Oh well, they're making it disappear, so hopefully it's doing someone some good. I thought I was being very aggressive when I was shaving that off, but watching Vinny come up through here, it looks like it's still pretty steep. I'm hoping we've got enough shaved off here to be able to mow it, but I'm not certain.
Dave put his tractor away. Tim's making a little ditch to the pipe.
You're full. Well, this has been oodles of fun. We got the whole community here together.
Seems like that.
Rex and Chris and Dave, my next door neighbor. I don't think you've ever seen Dave on any of our videos, have you?
This is Neighbor Dave.
I'm shy.
Neighbor Dave. And Cowboy Dave has already gone home.
Only old people have the endurance to stay for the whole day.
Oh, is that what it is?
It is.
Is that what it is? Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, we've got the culverts put in. Chris is going to work on cutting this down to height. We expanded the project a good bit behind us to try to make that slope such that Dave could mow it. We have not yet succeeded at that. More effort is required. We've taken a lot off of that, Dave.
Yeah.
But it wasn't enough.
Yep.
Close, but no cigar.
You see, I've been mowing that unreliably now for several years.
Since you moved in, I think.
But it's time for we get it so that Dave can mow it, at least this side. I think the road side is going to be hard. I'll still have to take care of that. But
Yeah.
Rex, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Chris, thanks for the engineering.
Yeah.
And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. Whoever believes in me, as Scripture has said, rivers of living water will flow from within them.
Whoa, whoa.
Sorry, Dave.
What are we doing now?
I'm not sure what it's doing.
I was trying to pick up your end a little bit. It looked like it was sagging.
It's already in.
It's already there.
It's already done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unhook me then, and I'll stop messing things up.
Oh, there's still time for that, Tim.